Question number 1. Which of the following is a bacterial infection that causes inflammation of lining of the stomach? Meningitis, tuberculosis, pneumonia, gastritis. Correct answer is option D, gastritis. Question number 2. Which of the following is a viral disease that causes a swelling of parotid gland located near the ears? And mumps, varicella, rubella, measles. Correct answer is mumps. Question number 3. The process by which bacteria obtain energy by oxidizing inorganic compounds rather than organic compounds is called fermentation, chemotaxis, lithotropy, denitrification. Answer is option C, lithotropy. Question number 4. The outermost layer of gram-negative bacterial cell is composed of capsule, peptidoglycan, flagella, lipopolysaccharide. Correct answer is option D, lipopolysaccharide. Question number 5. The process by which virus transfer its genetic material into host cell and hijacks the cellular machinery to produce more virus is known as replication, conjugation, transduction, infection. Correct answer is option A, replication. Question number 6. The viral infection characterized by a rash of red spot and high fever is smallpox, rubella, measles, chickenpox. Correct answer is option A, smallpox. Question number 7. Which of the following is a fungal infection commonly known as valley fever and characterized by fever, cough and chest pain? Coccidioidomycosis, dermatophytosis, candidiasis, histoplasmosis. Correct answer is option A, coccidioidomycosis. Question number 8. Which of the following is a viral infection characterized by inflammation of the salivary glands causing swelling and pain around the jaw and neck? Polio, rubella, measles, mumps. Correct answer is option B, rubella. Question number 9. The study of microorganisms that live in extreme environments such as deep sea, hot springs and polar ice caps is known as molecular microbiology, extreme microbiology, systematic microbiology, environmental microbiology. Answer is option B, extreme microbiology. Question number 10. The process by which a gene is transcribed into RNA is called replication, transcription, translation, transformation. Correct answer is option B, transcription. Question number 11. The process by which virus transfer its genetic material into host cell and integrates into the host genome is known as conjugation, transduction, retroviral infection, replication. Correct answer is option C, retroviral infection. Question number 12. The viral infection characterized by distinctive rash, often accompanied by fever, cough and runny nose is pertussis, whooping cough, rubella, measles, chickenpox. Correct answer is option C, measles. Question number 30. Which of the following microscopic organisms are eukaryotic, single cell and have rigid cell wall composed of cellulose, virus, protozoa, bacteria, fungi? Correct answer is option B, protozoa. Question number 40. The viral infection characterized by inflammation of the brain and spinal cord causing symptoms such as fever, headache and paralysis is rubella, measles, mumps, polio. Correct answer is option D, polio. Question number 50. The branch of microbiology that studies the relationship between microorganisms and the environment, including their effects on human health and disease, is called microbial ecology, parasitology, microbial genetics, epidemiology. Correct answer is option A, microbial ecology. Question number 60. The process of killing or removing most microorganisms, including bacterial spore, from an object or substance through the use of heat and pressure is called autoclaving, disinfection, sterilization, microfiltration. Correct answer is option A, autoclaving. Question number 17. Which of the following is a bacterial infection commonly transmitted through contaminated water source, causing severe gastrointestinal symptoms such as diarrhea, cramps and dehydration? Cholera, hepatitis C, Lyme disease, tuberculosis. Correct answer is option A, cholera. Question number 80. The association of endotoxin in gram-negative bacteria is due to the presence of lipopolysaccharides, steroids, polypeptide, peptidoglycan. Correct answer is option A, lipopolysaccharide. Question number 90. Which of the following microscopic organisms are unicellular and typically found in aquatic environments? Fungi, virus, bacteria, protozoa. Correct answer is option D, protozoa. Question number 20. The study of structure, classification and identification of microorganisms is known as bacteriology, systematic microbiology, virology, mycology. Correct answer is option B, systematic microbiology.